Welcome student. Now in the previous video we have discussed about list and we also have seen the summary. Let's just run through once again. Three types of lists, and that is the ordered list, unordered list, definition list. And the tags that are associated with it is the OL, the UL and the DL. And of course there are more tags under it. And under OL we have the LI, of course in the same UL also we have the same LI. Then DL we have two tags that are associated with that tag, that is DT and DD. And also the important attributes, that is type and start. And also the default values for ordered list, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, and the default values for unordered list, that is bullet and list. Now the next thing that we're going to cover in this video is that the nested list. Now when we say nested, it means we are nesting, we're having two OL under another OL, maybe one OL under the other OL, or another UL under another OL, and or another OL under UL. Now how let me just demonstrate it. Let us just leave this portion that we have done in the previous video. As we created a ordinary OL, ordered list, where we have the list of all the name of fruits, right? Now when we create an nested ordered list, then it's something that we are creating and another OL, something like this, under the OL which is already there. So we can always put in this way, just for readable purpose. Okay, we are going to push a tab, and just to also please practice this. It's very good as a to be more readable. Okay, so we give in this way. Okay, so as you can see in this example, we have OL, okay, and under this OL we have another OL, another OL, we have the list. You see, so this kind of display, or this type of markup language is called as nested. Okay, where we put another tag under another tag. Now in this case I'm putting only one tag under this tag OL. Okay, so as you can see, we have this under this. Okay, so we can have as many as we want, and this does not necessarily mean that it has to be OL only. It can be an UL also. So just to show you, I'll just copy this and put another one, okay, under it, right? So in this way, okay, as you can see, so I have two OL under this OL tag. Now if you want to see the how the display is going to be, okay, let me just show you in a browser. Okay, so just show you in a browser how it's going to look. Okay, that is, we are going to be having a list which is under another list. Okay, in this way, you see that it doesn't show much here, but then you can see that there are two lists. Okay, the same has been repeated. Okay, but those are another list. Now to be more precise about it, I'll just go and change something here. Okay, I'm just going to write something under this OL. Okay, this is capital letter. This is a nested list. Okay, now if you can see this, now if I run this, and you will see that this nested list will come in this way. You see that this is a nested list, right? So you can see that you can have multiple in this way, as a nested list also. Okay, so to just to show you the difference also, I can put this as UL. Okay, and where I give another UL. Okay, and I run this, and you see that, you see the first one is the ordered list and the second one is the unordered list, but they are all under a nested list, which is this now. Okay, and I'm saying start from 5. This, you can see this. Okay, but then it does not make any sense here right now, because this one, okay, it applies only to the OL of this list, but these lists, you'll see like how come that it's not applying to these lists, that is, it's not starting with 5. Okay, it's not starting with 5 at all. As you can see, it's 1 2 3 4. Now why? Now this is because this start 5, I set it on this OL, not on this OL. If I would have written something start here equal to 5, or maybe let's make a change to 7, you will see a change on this one. Okay, let me just show you. Okay, you see that? You can see that 7 8 9 10 is applied only to that OL, because I've applied the start on this OL and the list which is under this OL. You see that? So if you want that this should be applied on this one, okay, then you should have a li here rather. Okay, and sample, I would just write sample. Okay, then you will see that this will come with starting with 5, because this is under this to show. Maybe I'll just say trial. Okay, so you see that I run now, you'll see that. You see, so this is what we call as nested. Okay, so whatever you do under, exactly under this OL, you see, under this OL, the first one, if you give the li, okay, at that time, okay, then whatever you are writing will be reflect for this one. But if you want something different for these inner one, that is, you can change as you want. Okay, let's say like for this one, maybe I want type type equal, let's say a. Okay, so when I save this and then I run, you'll see that it's starting from here. Let me just start first. Okay, so you see that when I press this, is saying AB. So this type of structure that you see that there on top, it's AB, and then under it there's 7 8 9 10, and then under it there's, then you can do this with nested. Okay, let me make a sample thing like where you have something like this. You have the fill in the blanks, okay, not portion, and then okay, fill in the blanks, and then again you may have the choose the correct answer. Okay, so you see that my tab, okay, that's very important. Okay, I'm saying choose, maybe I'll just write multiple choice. Okay, so you see that this multiple choice and this fill in the blanks, I put this li straight under this, you see, but whereas these are under this one. So what I can do is here, I can have a fill in the blanks like is dash, something like that. Okay, or maybe like this, dash. So something like that. Mango is dash. See, so fill in the blanks. See, then now when I run this, you will see that this is what I'm going to get. fill the blanks that is under the well, then I have something inside it, okay, and then multiple choice I have something inside it. So you can create as you want in this way. So you can have, or like when you have a question paper or something, you can make this way. Also you can do that using the nested list. I hope with this you have understood